Farm to Market Road 1187 East, toward Owen Court.
Just hit that fucking fender, yo.
Yo,
in 1,000 feet,
pulling up.
make a U-turn at Alpine Industrial.
And Demonology's little pop-up meet, man. You should stop right here and add out on these peasants. I would definitely like pull up over here though. Yeah, man. So we just pulled up now. We about to
right here on the side. I don't know. Man, ain't no parking like that, bro. Hey, where's your car?
Huh?
Where's your car?
At home.
Man, you should have brought it.
I should have, but it's all good. He about to air out on these dudes. Ooh, he about to air out on these dudes. Ooh, look at that. Look at them faces. Ugh. Ugh. You about to air out on these dudes.
I wonder if I fuck my friend up again, bro.
Yeah, probably because you on the hill.
Nah, yo, I think that shit was too much.
Oh.
What's up, man?
You good?
I'm free.
You know he ain't around here because you don't hear him.
Somebody asked what's going on,
bro?
How you doing, bro?
FaTkaT, man.
FaTkaT, what's going on? How you doing, young man? What up, FaTkaT?
What's good, man?
Good seeing you.
Oh, hey, Mission Flyer, right? Hey, what's up, baby?
What's going on?
Hey, long time. Finally get to meet you. What's up, man?
What's going on?
What's going on?
Got no fighters.
I got them motherfucking Spider-Man webs on there for this man. Like,
Yeah, it's already on. No, the other one.
We about to walk over here and go see what Demonology's at. Yeah, it do look good. I like it. I like it. We got Mission Flyer up there. King Wheels and Tire?
King Wheels and Tire.
Yeah. Man, I don't know where he at. You'll definitely hear him before you see him. I don't even see him.
Radio 305.
What's good, baby?
It's a bro.
How's everything, man?
It's a bro.
Ah, I appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, man.
I catch you a while ago, man. I know.
Yeah, man. We gotta catch him. Hey, look who it is, right? Oh, man. What's going on, man? How's everything, baby?
Real deal. What's up, man? What's going on?
We here, man. We here.
Hey, you know we coming through the show, love, man. Got to.
I'm liking this shirt, man.
Yeah, I need that. Need that.
Hey, Roy Griffin, I see FaTkaT and I see you, and
That's just dope, man.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I
That's
need.
gonna be him, Bad Little Man.
the bad little man.
Yeah, man.
Bad little man.
Make sure y'all go check them out, man. There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So anyway, man, so we in here, like I said, just got here. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Long video, of course, but it's all good. So we in here now. We just got here. We're about to mingle and everything else, all that good stuff. Then I'm gonna go to the track a little bit later, so I'll probably do another video tonight. So y'all see that obviously coming out next, man. But anyway, man, Mission Flyer, Hellcat, Yellcat, Demonology's outside. His demon. I'm sure y'all seen that already. Yeah, man, Demonology over there, man, chilling, man, all that good stuff, man. So we here in the building, having a good time, man. Ooh, Mission Flyer. Nasty, nasty, nasty. It's gotta be one of the most beautiful cars, wraps that was put together, man. Woo. Now watch them air out on these dudes. Yeah, man, if that ain't beautiful, I don't know what is, man. If that ain't beauty, man, I don't know what is, man. Yeah, look at that. Man, look at inside this thing. God. Man, this thing is fully built. Huh?
You in here yet?
Nope. Nope, I'm not.
Why not?
But I need to be. I know, that's a good question. I need to be honest.
Come down or down there. So when there's any shows or anything, let me know.
Yeah,
I'll come down.
for sure. Matter of fact, we got a horsepower wars at the end of the month, November in Orlando, March 28th. Yep. So.
How much did it take you to put this together?
What do you mean?
How much did it take you to put this together?
Like time or money?
No, money. $150,000.
Money.
Yeah,
You
man.
know, it's completely wrapped in chrome first, and then it's overlaid. So like all these.
Oh, now you just
this
shut
is
it
all.
off.
No, I'm just explaining. So this is all glow in the dark.
That's dope, man.
So your car glowing in the dark.
Yeah, anything that looks.
Yeah, he always car glow in the dark, man. Come on, man. Come on, man.
All right. Let me just show you the trunk. I come help you.
God.
See, it's all wrapped in the.
Jeez. Look at it. I mean, this car is complete, man. No corners cut at all, man. People struggling to get their door jams wrapped. You got, I mean, come on, man.
Trunk lid, everything. Look like
Everything.
the glass came off and everything.
That's crazy.
Yeah,
This is the example. This is the example that everybody should follow, man, when they want to do something like this. This is stupid. Look at that. Look at that tank, man. Everything. Details. Crazy. And by the way, if y'all thinking about the the theme, he just retired, actually, military service, man. So there you go, man. Full military service. And look at this car dedicated to it, man. Super dope. What you think?
You got a lot of work to do.
I know, right? I got a long way to go. Got a long way to go. And it is a manual, by the way. You know what I'm saying? God.
Your mom?
got everything done.
Damn, look at that. Johnny. Look at this. Like he's literally on the floor.
20 years, I'm
Literally.
retiring this month.
Like you can't get no lower than that.
Yeah.
You can't.
I can't even get my pinky in there. My pinky's skinny. I can't get my pinky in there.
That's crazy, man. Yeah, this thing is.
Where were you at?
It's crazy.
I ain't going nowhere. I had a great vacation.
Man.
Wheels are nice too.
They hurt.
Florida out here representing.
Yeah.
Not me. My car's at home.
Nah.
Still here?
He revving. Woman.Driven revving. Heavy.
See y'all, man. Man, why so cold, man?
Coming in with everything.
That's how it's supposed to be, man.
Y'all see the stroller, man. It came in deep, y'all. They still moving.
Hey, boy, cloud in last
Yes,
month.
he will.
Definitely got to see that joint in person. Well, we're doing it out here in Texas, man. You know what I'm talking about? This stuff. We'll coming in and look at that family. Where you from? Yeah, y'all heard the pipe.
Y'all see them, they stopping traffic.
There you go. I'll see you. They don't.
That's how you pull up.
Yo, it's all you. That black.
No, you can't walk off. They still trying to U-turn.
The factory. 2020, man. The factory.
Y'all see it? 2029. That's
Swim. Factory, man. Just imagine how they was on the E-way coming here. If they was like how they was last night.
All right, look,
oh
they
my
won.
God.
They won. They just came in deep with it. It was one Chevy and all MOPAR.
Go ahead, go home. Go ahead and just go ahead, go home, man. All the way. I'm going all the way to the end. No, look, that's that grown man, man. You know, that's that retirement. So you good for life. You know what I'm saying?
They're still coming in.
You good. You know what I'm saying? You good. I did it.
I started at 20.
Yeah, you're right. This for the youngsters.
Yeah, you know, yeah.
That's why y'all.
Oh, another Hellcat,
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Where you at? Another yellow one. I'm talking about how regular.
Right. The coca wrap on it.
Let's go get in up close on him real quick. Y'all see it. Big respect on that.
Man, just finished eating
I'm not done yet.
Chick-fil-A.
Got the itis.
Got the itis.
Yo, literally, I haven't slept since. Nah, I did take that little small nap.
On a
but
small nap.
Like 30 minutes, 45 minutes.
Small nap. So we
Been
here.
since yesterday, like 5:30, 5 o'clock p.m.
Yeah, man. So we here at Chick-fil-A now. Gianni's finishing eating his French fries, man. We just killed, like massacred all the rest of this food here, man. So, yeah, man. So we are done for the night because we're supposed to be going over to the track. How you doing? We're supposed to be going over to the track, man, but they're doing the meeting at, I think, 9:30. And it is currently about to be 9 o'clock. So we went all the way over there. It was like 8. And we were like, nope. So we turned around, came back, just gonna get something to eat. Had to road. We've literally been on the road for 16, 17 hours, man. So they're supposed to have like a little get together, kind of like a little YouTubers meeting. so people could kind of talk about, you know, how they, you know, growing their channels or whatever. You know, just kind of like a little, what's what we're looking for? The
Tutorial.
brainstorming, power, what is it? Power meeting. Mastermind meeting, there you go. That's what I'm looking for. Mastermind meeting of the YouTubers, car YouTubers anyway that's here right now. They're gonna, you know, kind of talk about different things or whatever, different strategies or whatnot. But I would love to be there, man. But that, you know, the track is 45 minutes away from where we at the hotel. We was like, yo, we can't do it. So anyway, yeah, man. So we just finished this. About to go back to the room and call it a night, man. So hope y'all enjoyed this one. I know this one's kind of short. I wasn't planning on recording it anymore while we were at the little pop-up meet, but Gianni wanted to get the camera because a lot of people were starting to come in and everything else. So, you know, it's just gonna be a bunch of that footage or whatnot, man. So, I hope y'all enjoyed it. You're welcome. So, hope y'all enjoyed it, man. That's it for this one, man. Like, comment, subscribe, and the notification bell. Appreciate y'all again for, you know what I'm saying, supporting and everything else and watching the videos and all that good stuff, man. So it's greatly appreciated. Other than that, again, as you guys know, man, I'm your boy FaTkaT. We got Gianni. We got Garage Driven.
Tired Garage Driven.
Tired.
This is what y'all getting tonight.
Tired. Boy. Yeah, man. We see you guys on the next one, man. Later.